Good morning and hello and welcome back to my channel, and it's been quite some time, so I have a lot to catch you up on. Honestly, okay, I'm gonna just keep moving around because I have to get ready. I'm going to the gym right now, but honestly, I have just missed YouTube and being on here, so I didn't know the proper way on how to just like hop back on here. I'm just opening up my blinds because it's dark in here, but I honestly didn't know the proper way to like hop back onto YouTube, so I just said let me pick up the camera, let's just give it a go. Pretty much, I don't know what's the point of this video. Pretty much I just wanted to pick up the camera and start filming because I just miss being in this space. I have quite a lot to do today. I'm starting off with going to the gym. Clearly I like this thing is so tight. It's like I shouldn't be wearing this, but I'm forcing myself into it right now. I have to mail some stuff. I have to get a car wash, you know, just, I don't know, this is normal things of what to do, but, and then I have work later, so it kind of sucks. Gotta get it all done before I have work. So I'm gonna start making my smoothie for the morning, and crap, I had something else to do. Oh, I want to put oil in my hair before I go to the gym, so it's like, when I'm sweating, it's just like, oh, it's in there. All right, let me make my smoothie. Okay, so this is what I drink before I go to the gym. I've been not so consistent with being at the gym. Oh crap, I forgot what I was doing. Hold on. Why did I come in here? But I haven't been that consistent going to the gym, so it's not that great. On call. I have to do my own manicure. What was I doing? I know I put the candle on this morning. I was like, let's start the morning off right. Oh, I was gonna put oils in my hair. Okay, not the office. All right, anyway. So, not that consistent, but mentally it's been helping me so much being at the gym. So, that's why I'm going. Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute. Putting you back in that closet. All right, we're gonna get ready for the gym. Hold on. I did not go to sleep like this. I just threw up in a bun. My hair, I did cut my hair from the last time that you saw me. Just a trim, but it's honestly a little bit uneven. Like, look, you can see it's longer on this side, but I'm working with it. You know, I'm growing this out. I'm just stretching this side a little bit more, but even in the back, you can see like it's cut here and then it like drops here. But listen, we're gonna grow it out. We're gonna do what we gotta do. I'm not chopping anymore right now. I'm gonna put oil in my hair. Let's do the Miss Jessie's Grow Strong Maforo hair oil. So we're gonna drop some of that in there. I'm on day 4 hair, so this is fine. I just have to, I think I'm also thinning on this side too, so that part of my hair doesn't grow as quick, or it's very thin. So I have to figure out like how to cut over here, because you have to cut differently because this side will grow faster than this side. Whatever. Alright, I'm gonna put that in, and I think I'm gonna put some maybe jojoba. Let's see. Smooth, blah blah blah. Not vitamin E. Let's put some jojoba. Jojoba oil. I get this from Trader Joe's. And I'm not going to put too much oil. Using enough on your fingertips. Rub them. Massage the scalp. Should be doing this longer. But in the mornings I pick up my little niece. So I'm gonna pick her up, drop her to school. Oh, this feels good. See, hair's not that bad, you know, you can tell it's a little uneven, but it's working. It's what I'm working with. Oh, it doesn't even look bad at all. What? Okay. Now for the gym, what I do, since typically I've been wearing my hair in a part, like in the middle a lot often, so I just go like that, and I wrap it once. Oh, what I wanted to order from Amazon. Oh, my alarm. What I wanted to order from Amazon was those silk scrunchies. I have a lot of these things, and I put them in boiling water. I'll show you one day, whatever, to make them shrink back. But yeah, I ordered some other stuff from Amazon last night, and I knew I had other stuff, but I forgot what it was. So that's how I prepare myself for the gym. That's it. Sometimes I'll put it in a bun, not really. I could still wear my hair out, so I let it be like that. Yeah, so that's it. And let me finish my shake, and then I have to pick up little T. Well, she's not little anymore, but I'll see you in a sec. It is so cold. I'm on my way to the post office to drop these 3 envelopes off. I have to do my nails. It's like really bad. And then I have to pick up my niece. But you probably won't be staying up here because you are not mounted to nothing. But it is so cold outside. Yesterday was like 60 degrees, right? No, 50 or 60 degrees in New York in March. So it's really nice. But yeah, I just have errands. I have to wash my car. Like, clean my car is like a must. So I have to go to the bank too. I just have so much to do, so little time. Maybe I'll do some today, some tomorrow. But again, I can't tell you how good it feels just to like whip out a camera. I don't know, it's weird. I guess once when you start doing it, it's like you don't want to stop. Because you're talking to a camera, so it's weird. Oh, I didn't also explain why I put my hair back. Because I put my headphones on, and then, yeah, I'm showing you this in the car, but put my headphones on right here, and then my hair could just be in the back. So that's why I do that. But I'm just warming up my car. Yeah, so it is weird. Yeah, so just to describe, like, just coming back to YouTube, I didn't know the right video to post. It's been so long since I posted anything, even on Instagram. Like, I'm on Instagram, but I'm not like posting anything, Insta stories. I'm not even on it. I just feel so out of the loop with stuff that I just want to get back in the groove of vlogging my hair and just my day or whatever, lifestyle. I have so much DIY stuff I have planned. I have so many videos that I filmed that I have never even posted because they were just so random. Long story short, I was in the hospital in November. I have like stomach issues. So I was in the hospital for like 4 days. This is my second time being in the hospital for stomach issues. And ever since that, it's just been a lot of family stuff. So I had to have my priorities straight. I had to put YouTube on the back burner because, yeah, I was dealing with myself. I was dealing with my family. I had work, just being busy, tired, exhausted, running around all the place. And it was just too much, mentally and emotionally for me to be posting on YouTube, seeming like everything's okay when, I don't think, not that I wasn't okay, but like I was just dealing with so much that I couldn't be like, hey, because that I can't do that. Yeah, so that's really what's been going on. It's a lot of health stuff. So guys, take care of your bodies. I'm still following up with doctors, like gastro doctors. I still have procedures I have to get done. But follow up with your doctors. Take care of your health. Eat healthy. Excuse me. I did film a video prior to this like a week ago. no, 2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, about the diet that I'm doing, that I've had to modify because it was just so extreme for me. But it was definitely like cleansing my body, and I'd love to share that with you. I think in that video, I go more into detail about what happened. I'm not sure if it is better. I'll just throw it in right here so you will see it. But if not, that just summarizes things. Maybe I'll probably go into it more as I figure out like my health routine, like what really works for me, and my stomach. If you guys have stomach issues, I feel like it's like a known thing nowadays with you know, being allergic to milk or what is it, gluten, and like my husband actually knows like more of the technical terms of everything, so I'd honestly have to ask him, because he could tell you like the blockage I had, and they wanted to do surgery, like sheesh, they wanted, like the minute I went to the ER, they were like, surgery. They thought I had like appendix. My appendix was something wrong with my appendix, but it wasn't even that. So that's a scary thing. You have to trust the people you're around. Thank God you asked so many medical questions. This isn't our first rodeo at the hospital because my husband has had heart issues since 2017. So we're very familiar with hospital terms and lingo and asking questions, going to so many doctor's appointments. So we've been dealing with health things for quite some time. Yeah, I'm just so thankful for him. And yeah, so I have to pick up my niece because she said she's ready. So let's go grab her. I was supposed to go to the post office. I didn't even know I was gonna talk right now, but anyway, let's go. Taylor, I'm filming again. Hi. As I put the camera to your face. Are you excited?
For school, no.
No, not for school, for me filming.
Oh yeah.
I whip out the camera when you leave. Bye, T. Have fun. I miss you. Just left the post office. Didn't realize how quick that was gonna be. Not so good at this vlogging in public thing, but I'm gonna get better. And now I'm debating. I was talking to my niece in the car, and I'm like, should I get one of those things that you put in the car and like the mounts? Those things, the mount. She's like, yeah, why not? So I might do that, even though my sister's against it, and she's been telling me all the time, like, don't be on the camera and driving. But it's so convenient because you're always in the car, and like, it's just an easy way to vlog while you're out, you know? Anyway, I'm on my way to the gym right now, and I just left the post office, and that was really quick. Oh, and this lady's staring at me. All right, bye. So that's how I wear my hair to the gym, and then I just usually like fluff it out, and then it's fine. Like, there's not really much to it. I stretch my hair while I work out, so that's why it's in the back ponytail, but I usually do that regardless if I'm working out or not. And then when I get out, I just fluff it out, and then it's like fine. And I don't mind the frizz, like I kind of like it. It's not like too perfect, but it's just like casual curly. So I like that, and that's how I wear my hair to the gym. Yeah, and I'm a sweaty mess, so I have to shower. We're gonna go to the car wash. Yeah, I think that's what we're doing. Where's my keys? Like, I gotta start my car. All right, let's go. All right, just picked up the camera again. I am home, and I got a car wash. My car is washed, and I brought my husband some goodies. Let's turn on the lights again, open up some blinds. You see how uneven my hair is? Oh my God. Okay, so if I just stretch it, we're all set. All right, so we just got home. I am so hungry. I ran to CVS too, and I got some mascara. I've been using the, what's her name? Makeup by Shayla. Her mascara. I really like it. It's like a good drugstore mascara. And I got some smelling stuff for my car. I got strawberry, and then my husband is obsessed with these. So I got him 2 of these. These are like you shake it up, and then you throw it underneath your car seat. Yeah, the seat of your car, and then it smells up your whole car, and it smells so good. So he's gonna be so excited because these are so hard to find. And yeah, he likes blueberry or mixed berry, wild berries. I tried strawberry for the first time. It's in my car, and then usually I get vanilla, but we're switching things up. And this is garbage, garbage, garbage. I'm gonna eat a salad. I'm going to take a shower, and I'm supposed to go get some stuff for my hair. I'm running out of like this product that I love. I've been using it. Like, that is my product, like my go-to product. So maybe tomorrow I'll go to Walgreens to go pick that up, because you could just get it at Walgreens, which is great. They don't have it at everyone, but whatever. I don't need any of these CVS coupons. I think we're good. That's pretty much all I had to do today, and then I have work in a bit, so I might relax, eat, shower, go to work. Maybe go back to the gym tomorrow, whatever. I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I have like a list of errands. I'm actually off tomorrow, so that's the cool thing. But yeah, just wanted to hop on here. I was thinking about it in the car. How like, I just posted on Instagram like something about podcasts, and it's so cool how so many of you have reached out to me and was like, I have to acknowledge this, that, you know, like, I miss you, and where have you been? Where's the videos? So it just means so much. It's really cool. Sometimes you forget like people are actually watching these videos, and I hope that you're enjoying them because I love filming them. So I just reposted that I'm back, and I'm gonna be posting more videos. So I'm so excited to get back in the groove of things. Yeah, and I just want to thank you guys so much for your support. For the subscribers, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below. Welcome to my channel. And so let's see what we're doing tomorrow. I probably won't film anymore today. We'll see. If not, then this is the end of the video, and I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye. You got to let it go.